So Bitcoin has been breaking very bullish the past couple of days. We have been getting this very beautiful pump, but right now we are running in towards some kind of resistance, as well as we have been creating this new CME gap that we also did create right here, down below right here. But the very interesting thing was, at these previous CME gaps, well, we pumped right through towards the upside, okay? As well as we have been saying this for a very long time. Well, volatility for Bitcoin is absolutely imminent, and we can be seeing we are getting a very minor move currently, and we still have a very big Bitcoin move yet to come. We are going to be waiting for a way bigger pump than actually this very little pump that we are currently seeing, because of course we are currently seeing still this bull flag being created right here on the daily time frame. We can be seeing this exact bull flag being created, and this is a very bullish structure that we are currently seeing being developed, because what you can be having a look in towards is this cup and handle pattern. And if we are going to be breaking this one out towards the upside, well, we have a very bullish breakout towards the upside for Bitcoin, as well as this traditional breakout of this bull flag pattern right here is also a very bullish signal we are getting. And guys, I do not make this up, as well as this falling wedge pattern breakout that we did get, and we flipped bullish exactly at this point of this breakout. We said, all right, if we are going to be breaking this one out towards the upside, I am going to be flipping bullish and actually opening my long positions. Of course, because we have been flipping already bullish quite some time, we have already been flipping bullish at this support of this golden pocket Fibonacci level. But I've been saying, all right, whenever we are actually going to be breaking this resistance, well, then I'm going to be entering my long positions, and this is what I did, of course, and bam, we are in some very beautiful profits, as well as history is about to repeat for Bitcoin right here. Well, these charts are looking very similar of the bear market recovery phase of 2019. All in all, it is starting to look very good for Bitcoin, and this is where I want to be beginning my video with, because you need to be getting some context for what I'm actually going to be sharing next. Okay, right here you can be seeing, well, the price action of the 2019 bear market recovery phases is exactly being repeated, okay? And we are currently forming this double bottom, and we are breaking this one out towards the upside and getting some follow through, just like we saw in 2019. So this is looking very good, and also we are at the same exact stages of this bear market recovery stage, just like we are currently seeing in this current moment. So we already know, well, history doesn't often repeat, but it certainly rhymes, and if it will rhyme, well, once again, we will once again be seeing a lot of bullish follow through getting created, as well as, of course, this support from of this Fibonacci golden pocket support. We have been talking about this a very long time already, just like support from of this moving average, from of the 100 daily moving average. We are getting once again supported, just like we did in these previous times. We got a very beautiful rejection or also support at this current level. Okay, so right now it is flipping from resistance into support, and once again getting another bounce. Well, if we are going to be getting some follow through, well, that would be looking very good. But of course, these previous times we got a lot of follow through towards the downside, and also right here towards the upside. So that is indeed looking very good for Bitcoin, as well as we are currently breaking our downtrend in towards an uptrend. And of course, this has also been one signal that we wanted to be having a look in towards before really flipping ultra bullish. We wanted to be seeing, all right, we want to see Bitcoin break once again in towards an uptrend in the very short term, and we are currently seeing that. So that is looking very good for Bitcoin, as well as for the very long term for Bitcoin. While we are still trading in towards our bear market recovery stages, and we still have a lot more room to go towards the upside. This is what we have been looking at, and this bear market recovery stage does have a lot more room to go towards the upside, towards numbers of about 34k, maybe even 40k levels. Okay, so keep that in mind. That is what we're currently still seeing on the on-chain indicators, and that is why in the longer term trend, well, we are still of course in this uptrend. So that is a reason why I'm rather actually longing the market than shorting the market. I'm rather buying the dip than trying to short a dip already, alright? I'm not in the game to be shorting a dip. I'm going to be longing the dip, alright? That is my game plan. That is my strategy. I'm here to make money with trading. Okay, also we can be seeing, well, the Bitcoin network is exponentially getting stronger and stronger, which is also looking very good. And it does take some time before price will reflect its strength in towards the network. Alright, I do know that. But in the end of the day, well, this will be a very good longer term on-chain metric that we can be having a look in towards. Also getting supported by the 200 weekly moving average. Also been talking about this for a very long time. And one bearish thing that I can be having a look in towards right there is of course that we are trading still at very important weekly resistance, so keep this in mind. There are two things that we can be taking away because of this weekly resistance we are currently trading at. Well, of course, we are going to be having some difficulties before actually breaking above it right here. But also the other thing is that whenever we are actually going to be breaking above, well, we will be seeing a lot of fireworks towards the upside. We will be absolutely exploding towards the upside whenever this finally happens. So guys, definitely keep this in mind, okay? And if you do want to be following me about every single market development, be sure to be following me on Twitter. And guys, with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning. And guys, bye bye.